Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use labels in Gmail. So what are basically Gmail labels? Those labels work like folders, and you can apply more than one label to a single email. It's a perfect tool for multitasking emails. That means that one message can be under both work, for example, and finance. So let me show you how to view labels in Gmail application. Firstly, you need to open application on your device, then enter the menu section in your upper left corner, and you need to scroll until you see a list of your existing labels. I have only one label. It is not empty. I have one email here. So this is how you can see your labels. Also, how to add labels. Again, when you opened application, you need to click menu button, and here under the tab labels, you need to press create new button. Now you need to give it a name, for example label 2, and click save button. And now you see that I have 2 labels. Also, let me show you how to remove a label from your Gmail. You need to enter menu section, scroll to the very down until you see settings, and here you need to choose inbox customizations, and here enter labels. Here is the list of your labels. I have only 2. And for example, I want to delete this label that I have just created. I need to tap the label I want to delete or edit. Here I can rename it, for example, just label. For example, I have renamed it and click save button, and you see that it has changed. And to delete a label, I need to press delete label button, and you need to confirm your decision by clicking delete button. As you can see, label number 2 has been successfully deleted. So that's basically how you can use your labels. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.